Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank to the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for groceries using your bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app, then click on account on the bottom right hand corner. Now, once you're on this page here, go ahead and click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner, then go ahead and click on wallet next. Then on this page here, go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says add new payment method. Next, click on connect your bank. Now, as you can see, it starts to connect your bank where you'll see a list of different banks. So go ahead and click on your bank, which you want to go ahead and connect, and there you have it. It's going to prompt you to log into your bank so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to the Walmart app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your bank to the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.